Hey there, Candy Hearts, it's Steve in Altman Plants, and today I have a succulent that goes by the name of Sedeveria Lilac Mist. Sedeveria Lilac Mist is one of our patented hybrids. It's a cross between a Sedeveria and an Echeveria. So indeed, it has sedum bloodlines in it as well. And what I love about Sedeveria Lilac Mist is the curious shapes it takes when it clusters. In fact, I thought this rosette over here, pardon the shadows, reminded me a little bit of a rooster. The front of a rooster, of course. And what we love about Sedeveria Lilac Mist is just the really neat, delicate coloring. You'd call it a silvery blue or a gray-green with rose, violet overtones, particularly in strong light. This one has been in full sun all year and doing great. And we have a couple here that have a little bit more of a blue-silver to the leaves. And when we say delicate coloring, we sure don't mean delicate leaves. Unlike sedums, this one does not detach so easily. I'd still recommend virtual hugs, not real hugs. And it's available now on shop altmanplants.com.